Morning guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're at Pakenham Lake targeting some trout and redfin. I've got my grandpa's old fishing rod. He got it Kmart 50 years ago, something like that. It's telescopic, 20-pound mono, salt rusty bell with a whiting rig. And I have this rod with a big float, which I had in my other video the other day. Up there. So weedy there. We're about to move, but I really hope the council can clean it up soon. And I also got this rod with a Blue Fox 7-gram spinner. This Daiwa B stick, 20-pound mono. Very cool. And yeah, trying my hardest for some fish, but the other day they stocked some trout in, but I'm gonna move in a minute.